So I want to share you guys that today is I don't feel like uh, focus. I don't understand what I'm feeling right now, but I just do it what is right to me because I feel like I don't want to do my task like reading, writing, chasing my goals, but I do it anyway. Sometimes the problem is you and you. There's her, our mind. The problem is our mind. If you uh, stay weak, then you become weak. What Buddha said, what you think you become. So every day I'm thinking, you need to think what you want to be. Okay, Pilipinas. You need to think what you want to be. I want the person that have big aura, long hair, wide back, six pack abs, have big bicep, you know, and financial freedom, spiritual freedom, relationship freedom, what's time freedom. Okay, that's poor I think. Financial, time, relationship, spiritual. That's the freedom that you need to have in the future. That's the goal that you need, the dreams that you need to have. I right now I'm just big capturing. What's capture? I'm reading this kind of book, which is kindergarten. It's all about God's story. So instead of reading Bible, I read this one because Bible is such a broad. We need some professor. Ay, no. It's pastor. But you can read Bible if you have God. Even you don't have believe God, you can read Bible. So right now, I'm just sharing what I'm feeling right now because in the future when I see this video, I will laugh. Yes. Definitely. Certainly. Probably. So I will show you my bike. What's day today is August 21, 22. But that bike is August 21. I buy it uh yesterday. Okay. It's only 3,000. I can use that for my business. When the the class is started, I will use that as carrier. No. Carrier for uh, my products. Okay. I don't know if I can, but I will. Okay. I don't know if I can, but I will. I will do it anyway whenever. Whether I don't want to do, but I will still do it. Okay. That's the quote that I need to believe that if when others don't want it, do it. If you don't want it to do it still. Still do it. Do what you hate like you love it. Okay? Do what you hate like you love it. So I don't know. I don't I'm telling you that today is not my focus day. I don't know. I don't feel the beast on my inside of my body. I don't feel the beast that I can destroy everything. I'm just weak. I don't know. Hopefully soon. Hmm. I'm so angry because of why I'm like this. I want to be suffer. I want to be in pain again. Because suffering and pain is my normal day. That's right now it's like I'm happy. I don't like it. You know. I don't want this fucking shit. There's no growth at all. Hush. Signing off, Pilipinas.